When you walked along the seashore, have you ever noticed rocks with burrows? These holes were made by mollusks trapped in their little caves. They're called piddock clams or Pinutilla pinita. Every day, these tireless creatures grind the rock to make more room for their growing shells. The shells have a rounded bottom with ridges that act as a drill. Scientists estimated drilling speed, which is about 4 to 5 millimeters per year. Of course, it depends on the softness of the rock. This is why the clams prefer clay or shale, but they cannot live in the sand. The burrows can be 15 centimeters deep, which gives us approximately 30 years of lifespan. The problem is that the animal becomes wider while it drills deeper. At the same time, the entrance of the hole remains the same size, and the clam becomes trapped. The clams reach maturity in 3+ years, but if the rock they live in is too hard, it can take them up to 20 years to become full-grown and start reproducing. The piddock clams are often live in dense communities, and they can sense each other because they do not grow into neighboring burrows despite very tiny space left in between. If the rock is overcrowded, they just stop growing. The animal can survive for many years, and most of them probably die from predators or when the rock gets broken. The empty holes they create may serve as home for various sea creatures: crabs, worms, snails, sea anemones. The piddock clam is very common along the Pacific coast of North America and plays an important role in coastal erosion by greatly speeding it up. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to visit our channel and see other videos about unusual creatures.